Good morning, this is your maths for today. So we're going back to fractions, and today we're going to look at how to place fractions on a number line. We're going back to the White Rose Home Learning website. Always follow these instructions here to help us get there. All right, here we go. So let's open up a fresh tab. White Rose Home Learning. Top search result. Scroll down. And year 6. As always, guys, you can pause the video anytime you like to carry out an instruction before you carry on. Now, what we need to do, as weird as it sounds, is scroll down and find Autumn Week 9. That's the one we want. And then there's our video, fractions on a number line. So use this video to help you. So you can have a bit of a starter to begin with. So do your best with that first. And then as you progress through the video, what they're going to show you is how you can place numbers on a number line. So the first thing you do, for example, is work out how many intervals, how many gaps are there between, in this case, 0 and 1. So I've got 1 gap, 2 gaps, 3 gaps, 4 gaps, 5 gaps, 6 gaps. So therefore this must be in sixths. So as you follow through the video, the teacher's going to take you through several concepts like that. And also how you can use equivalent fractions. So for example, instead of 2/8, well, both of these could be even numbers, they could be halved. So therefore, this line here could also be a quarter, and 2 quarters, and so on, which means 1 by itself is in here somewhere. So follow the teacher through, and that's going to guide you to these sorts of questions, where you're going to need to use also your equivalent fractions here. So this bar wants you to find out where it would go on this line. So it says here it's a third, but this quite clearly is not in thirds, because the difference in 0 and 1 here is shown as 1 gap, 2 gaps, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this has been split into ninths, but this here is wanting in thirds. So you might want to ask yourself, well, a third is how many ninths? So how can you make 3 into 9? Think of your times table knowledge, and remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. I think it's after that one. Yeah. Then you'll come back to your question sheet, and you've got question 1 to do, question 2 and 3, and then you want to go back to after that, we want to go back to the video. Okay, use the video to help you with questions 4 and 5 and 6 as well. Now what you'll notice as well today, what I've done for you is put up exactly where in the video that will help you with each section. So for example, this one, between 5 minutes 2 and 6 minutes 25 of that video that we were just looking at, that is the bit that's most going to help you with these 2 questions here. Between 6 minutes 25 and 7 minutes 51 on the video. So find 6 minutes 25. So between there and what did I say? 7 minutes 51. So between there and the next minute and a half or so, all of that is going to help you with question 4. So use that to help guide you. And I think that is everything that you need to know. The rest of it is all in that White Rose Home Learning video. So make sure you watch it and it will help. All right, guys, any problems, use the chat and I will talk to you then. Take care. Bye-bye.